This is one of the most important things you need to learn. The reason why your disputes keep getting rejected is because most people are sending emotional letters. See, that's the wrong way to dispute. Dispute should force companies to prove the account is one, accurate, complete, verifiable. Now, inside my forbidden credit cleanup system, I'm breaking down for you step by step a whole process of how you can force not only a deletion, but you could also set them up for a lawsuit. Round one, round two, round two. It's all in the dispute. You have to know what accounts you're disputing and using the right verbiage, not emotional verbiage, using consumer laws. Ask for different things, like, for example, let's say we're dealing with a collection, right? And the collection appeared on your credit report. You got no letter before they put it on there, which is a violation of the no parking rule, right? They're claiming you owe a debt. They're attempting to collect because it's on the credit report. What's your first step? What are you going to do? Are you going to send out a validation letter? Are you going to send out, it's not mine? Are you going to do a fake identity theft and human trafficking report that could quite possibly land you in jail? Or you're going to dispute the right way using the right strategies, using the laws that was made to protect you. If you want to learn this system, comment or, yeah, just comment the word delete. The link will also be in the description, but if you comment the word delete, it works the same way. So I'll send you the link. You can get the system, go be proactive and clean up your credit today.